Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I've just been marking up this gold chart. I'll take it out to the weekly and give you a really quick top down. I've already marked it up, so don't need to spend time doing that. But if we look left, we can see back here. I'll take these candle body that's open here as a level. We've got that as a weekly resistance. We've got this as a weekly resistance right here, so we could just mark that up, W, weekly level, and this will make a lot of sense when we go down to the lower time frame. And then having a look at this on the daily, we've got this high coincides weekly daily, so that's a big support level. If it retraces back down in here, that could be a thing, and it coincides with this high over here. So that definitely is a point of interest. What we have then is this daily balance area back down in here, accumulation zone where this move here originated. So that's definitely a key level to consider. Now we've got the high of this. We'll go down to the 4-hour chart and I'll explain that. Just mapping this out because I'm looking for a trade opportunity and I'll explain what that is. I'm just mapping it out so that we've got a bit of like a roadmap thing. This weekly, as you can see here, I'll just grab my pencil. We've got a weekly daily combo right there. The other thing we have on the, that's actually a 4-hour. Hang on a sec. Let me just fix this up. This purple is a 4-hour imbalance, so 4H. And what I've done is I've just picked up, see this balance area down here? I've just picked up the high of that previous candle and the low of this one on the right. So we've got these two ranges where it's been trading sideways. This gap, the market's going to be looking for two things. It's going to look for liquidity and it's going to look to rebalance. If you consider this chart from that perspective, where is there resting liquidity? Well, you've got a ton of retail traders in here buying long. Stop losses galore resting under all through here, all the way back down. Okay, so this is ripe for the picking. If smart money is looking to go long, my thinking is they need to pull it back down in here, possibly look to rebalance down in here, and that's the trade. That's where I want to get involved. We've got this high. That could be through this price gap anywhere, like even down to here. I'd be looking to probably layer in buy limit orders down in through this range and call it like a buy zone, and just delete some of that. And then what we'll do is we'll go down to a lower time frame and I'll show you how you can get involved with this. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, have a look at the links below. Check it out. Join our free Telegram group. Love to see you in there. The other link it's called We Trade Your Forex Account. Have a look at that. You'll be surprised at the success we're having with that. You can connect your account to ours and benefit. Back to the chart. So this price gap. So we've got this thin candle on the 4H. So yeah, does this trade back down? If it does, I'm going to be looking to set up. I'll have a limit order, probably resting anywhere down through here. That would be 1. So we just mark that. It's the mid-range of this 4-hour order block, and then we'll grab another one. That would be one limit order. I'd probably place another limit order here, go for broke down further down in here, see if we get that. So this is my buy zone down through this section here. I'm going to show you a way to get involved with this on the lower time frame. That's what I want to see. I don't want to get involved up here. There could be a counter trend opportunity if it shapes up. So what you probably want to wait for would be this range. If we get a break of this range down to the downside, a retest, and oh gosh, I just messed it up. I got my pencil in one hand and not used to using the pencil on the chart. Let's just grab it with the mouse. Here we go. If we see this and a retested fail of that, that could be an entry point there for a short. I don't really want to counter trend trade it. If it trades back down in around these levels here, then this area here, that's what I'm interested in. So what we'll do now, go down to the lower time frame and I'll show you how we can get involved. What we've got here is we've got these green dots. And these green dots tell us that basically we've got this breakout. It's overextended, and this is most likely a stop run. If this bar, these bars down here are predominantly green, I would take that trade on that green dot. This bar down here is telling us that the 4-hour and the daily have there's a confluence, and they meet a certain criteria that paints this bar. And then these bars down here, this is a 5-minute chart. These bars give us the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, 1, 2, 4 daily, weekly. All right, so all the higher time frames are bullish. So what we want to see is this stop run, and then we've got a trade. Now have a look at this, for example. This is the kind of opportunity you want. Look, there's your signal right here. Everything lines up. Take it. See our cloud? Stop loss under the cloud. Back here we had a green signal. This was a bit of a stop run. This whole area here, taking out stops before it moved. That's okay. Look, you see how we've got these yellow and orange lines under here. These are our indicators, and the orange is a weekly level. The yellow is a daily. So you got this weekly daily support level under here, strong level, and then you've got the confluence of with these other indicators painting green. And then we go back. Here's another signal here, by the way, right there. It's a bullish signal. This is just, we ignore the red signals when we see these green, especially this green bullish bar. That's just overextended red. You don't touch those. This one here, maybe. I prefer not to take this. I prefer not to take it based on the fact that we don't have this guy over here. There's no green bar, and most of these are red. So I would have probably ignored that. Doesn't matter. You let some go. It's not a big deal. Once this paints well, I'm looking, this is the opportunity I want. I want these green dots in these conditions, especially when you got these lines under here like that. So anyway, guys, that's one way you can get involved with this. Now here was an entry point. What I tend to do with these is, let's just go under the dots. My plan of attack, I'll just explain that to you, is I'm looking for a 1-to-1 risk reward, and I'm going to take most of my position off. So there's your 1-to-1. Once you've taken 70% off, you can pull this up. That's in the money. Just let it run. See how you go. You've got 70% in the bag. And if this continues up, great. That could just roll over here and trade. So we don't know yet. But like I mentioned on the 4-hour chart, it's quite possible we could see this pull right back here. In any case, guys, that's my take. I'll get involved long down in here. Let's see how we go. Again, smash the likes, leave a comment, click the links below. Have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.